So on this video, I'm going to go through the Commandiq app and show you the features and the benefits that it brings. The first thing we need to do is download the Commandiq app. To download the app, we need to go to the Play Store on Android devices and the App Store on Apple devices. So once we are in the Play Store, we need to do a search for Commandiq. Once we have it installed, we open Commandiq. It is going to ask us to set up an account. Once all the information is inputted, click Sign Up. The router is already set up by the installers, so go ahead and click on My Router is already set up. After you click that, it's going to ask you to scan the QR code on the bottom of the GigaSpire. Once you scan that, click Start Setup and click Done. So let's click on My Network. And on here you see the networks, your SSIDs. In here you are able to change the Wi-Fi password without having to call WRT. If you want to, you are able to click on Share Network, and this will bring up a QR code that any guest can scan to get onto your Wi-Fi network. Now let's click on the shortcut for bandwidth test. And this here will do a test on your Wi-Fi router. Now this is the bandwidth test that's only on the Wi-Fi router. This is not testing the bandwidth to any of your devices. If you click on equipment on the top there, you will see all WRT's Wi-Fi equipment. Then if you click on usage, you will see what every device that's connected to the Wi-Fi is using for bandwidth. Now if we go back to the main screen and click on Things, those things are all the devices that are connected up to the Wi-Fi at this moment. In here, you're able to click on one of the devices. If you click Edit, you are able to rename the device. So that way, if you need to troubleshoot down the road, you are able to do so much easier. Also at this time, you can assign this device to a person or a location in the house. If you go back to the home screen and click on People, you can click on the plus on the top right, and you can create a person. And once you create the person's name, you will see in the bottom there are things. These are things that are connected to the Wi-Fi, and you can assign this person's own personal devices. By creating a person, you are able to limit their internet access. If you wanted to turn internet access off for this person, it will turn off internet access to all his or her devices. You can also set up time limits. If you want to dictate what time of days they can be on the internet, you can do so here by adding a time range. And by doing this under the person's name, this does it for all the devices that are assigned to their name. If you want to make it easier to troubleshoot, you can click Add Places. Like if you have more than one device in the living room, you can create a place called Living Room, which then you can add all the living room devices to that place. As you can see, there are many features to Commandiq. And with Commandiq, you are actually given more control over your home network. I'd like to thank you for watching this WRT video. And by watching this video, I hope you were able to see benefits that the Commandiq app can actually bring to your home.